My name is Rudranshta.
And I am Atik Chaudhary.
I am Kashvi.
I am Manvi Singh from grade 6A from DPS Jaipur.
I am Ishita Sharma from class 6C.
My name is Krishita.
My name is Devan Sharma.
I am Dipanshu.
I recently attended an Indiation workshop. It was a fun workshop. We learned about many things of India.
It was a fun experience and I learned about diversities of India and public speaking skills.
I loved the teachers' efforts and the fun activities.
I enjoyed a lot being a part of the workshop.
I loved learning about the diversity in India.
The part I liked the most were the checkpoints from 1 to 12.
It was really amazing. I hope that it will be held again in the school.
I really loved the quiz and I learned many things about India.
We also learned about how the different problems of the country are handled.
The main part I loved was to answer all the quizzes held in the workshop. I hope this workshop is held again in our school so that I can participate. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.